Welcome back, viewers. Today, we are delving into a fascinating research topic that holds significant implications for industries worldwide. The effect of predictive maintenance strategies on equipment downtime and overall productivity. In this video, we will explore the importance of this research and guide you on drafting the first 3 chapters of your study. Let's get started. Before we dive into the chapters, let's understand why this research topic is essential by exploring some real-world examples. Predictive maintenance is a proactive approach that relies on data analysis and advanced technologies to predict and prevent equipment failures. The benefits of implementing predictive maintenance strategies are far-reaching. For instance, in the energy sector, predictive maintenance has enabled companies to reduce downtime of critical power generation equipment, ensuring a stable power supply to consumers. Similarly, in the transportation industry, predictive maintenance has improved the reliability of trains, reduced delays and enhancing passenger satisfaction. These examples underscore the significance of our research in optimizing operations and achieving higher productivity. Chapter 1 Introduction. The first chapter of your research is the introduction, where you set the stage for your study. Let's break down how to draft each component effectively. Research problem. The research problem defines the gap in current knowledge that your study seeks to address. For instance, a research problem could be: despite the growing adoption of predictive maintenance strategies, there is limited empirical evidence regarding their impact on equipment downtime and overall productivity in the manufacturing industry. Research significance. The research significance highlights the importance of your study within the broader context of the field. For example, understanding the true impact of predictive maintenance on equipment performance can offer valuable insights to industries seeking to enhance their maintenance practices and optimize productivity. Research questions. Research questions guide your investigation and provide clarity on what you aim to achieve. Here are 3 sample research questions for your topic. How does the implementation of predictive maintenance strategies affect equipment downtime in manufacturing industries? What is the relationship between predictive maintenance adoption and overall productivity in diverse industrial sectors? What are the key factors influencing the successful implementation of predictive maintenance practices in organizations? Research objectives. Research objectives outline the specific goals you want to achieve through your study. Here are 3 sample research objectives. To analyze the correlation between the adoption of predictive maintenance strategies and the reduction of equipment downtime. To assess the impact of predictive maintenance on overall productivity and cost efficiency in different industrial settings. To identify the critical success factors that influence the effective implementation of predictive maintenance practices in organizations. Research rationale. The research rationale justifies why your study is essential and how it can contribute to existing knowledge. For instance, the rationale for our research could be: given the increasing emphasis on minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity, understanding the effectiveness of predictive maintenance strategies can provide valuable insights for better decision-making and resource allocation. Chapter 2 Literature review. The literature review is a critical chapter where you examine existing research and theories related to your research topic. Let's discuss some suitable subtopics and theories for this research. Predictive maintenance techniques. This includes condition monitoring methods, failure prediction algorithms and data analytics and machine learning in predictive maintenance. Impact of predictive maintenance on equipment downtime and productivity. This includes case studies on industrial implementations, comparative analysis with reactive and preventive maintenance strategies. Theories and models. Reliability-centered maintenance, RCM. Reliability-centered maintenance is a widely used approach that focuses on optimizing maintenance strategies to ensure the reliability and functionality of equipment. Failure modes and effects analysis, FMEA. Failure modes and effects analysis is a systematic method for identifying potential failure modes in a system, equipment, or process. It involves assessing the consequences of these failure modes and prioritizing them based on severity. Total productive maintenance, TPM. Total productive maintenance is a holistic approach to maintenance that involves everyone within an organization, not just maintenance personnel. TPM aims to achieve zero equipment breakdowns, defects, and accidents by instilling a culture of continuous improvement and employee involvement. Chapter 3 Methodology. In the Methodology chapter, you detail the research approach and strategies used to gather and analyze data. Let's explore the key components for this chapter. Suitable conceptual framework. For this research, a suitable conceptual framework would include 3 independent variables: predictive maintenance strategies, equipment downtime, and overall productivity. The dependent variable would be impact on equipment downtime and overall productivity. Recommended research philosophy. A pragmatic research philosophy aligns well with this type of research, as it allows for a mix of quantitative and qualitative approaches, giving a holistic understanding of the topic. Appropriate research approach. An inductive research approach is ideal for this study, as it allows you to gather data and derive insights to formulate theories and models related to predictive maintenance. Recommended research strategy. The most suitable research strategy would be a case study design, as it enables an in-depth investigation of real-world scenarios and their impact on equipment downtime and productivity. Ethical considerations. Ethical considerations are crucial to ensure the protection of participants' rights and maintain data integrity. For example, obtaining informed consent from participants, ensuring data anonymity, and following ethical guidelines for data handling. Chapter 6 Conclusion. The conclusion chapter is where you summarize the findings of your study and draw insightful implications. It's an opportunity to restate your research objectives and discuss how well they were achieved. Additionally, highlighting any limitations encountered during the research process and suggesting future research directions will enrich your conclusion. Chapter 6 Recommendations. Finally, in the recommendation chapter, you provide practical suggestions based on your research findings. For this research topic, some suitable recommendations could include encouraging industries to invest in predictive maintenance technologies and training for maintenance personnel. Collaborating with predictive maintenance solution providers to customize strategies according to specific equipment needs. Establishing key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor the effectiveness of predictive maintenance implementations and make data-driven decisions. And that wraps the effect of predictive maintenance strategies on equipment downtime and overall productivity. For access to a preliminary version of the research topic, please follow the hyperlink provided in the description. We hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.